You didn't read the front of the card.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Read.
What's up?
Mine.
What about the front of the card, the paper?
Oh, so cute, so sweet.
Wait, mine. Wait, mine.
It's got fire on it.
Firecrackers. to one hot mama.
Hi, here, mine.
Oh, wow, this is so long, Daddy. I thought it's just a card.
Mine.
Can you read it for Mommy?
I can't.
Can you read it for me, Daddy?
No.
No, I like it when you read it.
You read it, Baba.
Okay, I'll read it.
Okay, you read it for me, my love. Thank you.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Come
You
on.
read it, Mommy.
I'm a bit shy.
Don't be shy.
What?
This is very nice.
I can use this.
Yeah, you can use that.
Cellini, no. You can't rip this one. Cellini.
Not
Yeah,
this
'cause-
one, no.
Here you go.
Cause this.
Can you read it for
Cause-
Mama, please?
Okay. Let's read the back first.
Okay.
Let's start the thing by.
I think you should start at the front.
I'll start here first.
Okay.
Happy day.
Happy day.
Yeah.
Oh my
It
goodness.
says happy day. I love mommy.
I love Mommy. Aww. Well
That-
done, sweetheart.
And oh wait. And happy and Daddy loves and he
Daddy loves?
you.
Daddy loves me?
Yeah,
Yeah?
and Selena in Paris.
Oh.
Oh.
Well done, sweetie. That's very good reading. Okay, now can you listen? We'll see what Daddy wrote here. Okay?
Let me do it.
Hang on, you hold that one too. You and Mama. To the love of my life and best mom in the world. Oh, I'm gonna cry now.
What?
We appreciate you for everything you do for us. All the late nights and early mornings and being the strong one. Well,
Hi. It's not angry too.
Mama's a strong one.
I want to read it. I want to read it.
we have been together now for 5 years and there's not a moment that passes in which I change this path I choose with you.
I can use this.
We love you so much and look forward to what the future brings. I know things have been tough since we came. And luck has not been on our side, but I know with effort and perseverance we can turn it all around to live our best lives in our new home. We love you more than words can say, Mom. Dida, Paris, and Celine.
Dida, Paris, and Celine.
I'm already crying. I love you, Paris. I love you, Lini.
My Mama Daddy.
I love you, Daddy. Of course.
She's taking her car.
Celine's gonna break it.
I'm so blessed and happy to be your mommy, Paris.
Keep it.
Paris, I'm very happy to be your mama.
Mama Daddy and Celine.
Yeah, Celine, I'm very happy to be your mama.
Celine?
What about Mommy? Get him, he will ruin it.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome back. Ate, welcome back. Nandito kami ngayon sa city, guys, kasi it's Mother's Day. And we're going to meet the family here. Kakapark lang
Wait,
namin.
straight this way?
Paris, this way, my love.
Is it?
Albert Street we're going to, so maybe that way. Tingnan nyo ang pa-outfit ni Ate Paris, anak.
I saw that bird.
Tingnan nyo guys kung gano'n siya ka-cute.
I saw that bird eating pizza.
I know. Now I'm very hungry too. I want to eat pizza as well. Ayan na si Daddy Mike.
Late na kami as usual. Sa birthday ng boyfriend ng cousin ko the other day. And then Mother's Day, parang pinag-isa na lang namin, guys. And then we're going to have lunch sa isang Italian na restaurant. Are you sure, Daddy? Or this way?
I know how to go this way.
Huh?
I know how to go down this way.
I like it here.
Do you?
Yeah.
So, yan yung pa-outfit ni Daddy Mike natin, guys. Sobrang tagal na namin hindi nakapunta dito sa city ba? So, ang pa-outfit ni mami nyo ngayon ay ganyan. Oh, bongga. Pakita ko sa inyo yung full outfit ko. Naka-shorts lang si mami nyo, guys. Backpack shorts. Oh, Daddy, anak.
Get the one more. Want your free job. Let me see the light.
Are you sure this way, Daddy? Ah, Albert Lane. Ah, okay, yeah. So, ayan, guys. Oh. About piano. Don't jump, anak. Oy, someone's here. Oh. Hala. Ano, half. Ay, doon siya sa taas. There they are, Daddy. Wait to be seated. Kita nyo ba, guys, ang pa-outfit ni mami niyo? Hindi. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. See the prince. Yeah.
Happy Mother's Day.
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Is there a left here?
Yeah. Apparently there's one. Happy Mother's Day to you. Dito ka na may prom.
Lagi.
Hello, how are you? Good?
Good. Meet my
Hi, I'm Jovi. I'm sorry. I got you just put like a
my daughter-in-law. My daughter-in-law, Annie.
Hello, Annie. Hi, what's your name? Elizabeth. Nice to meet you. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Anytime to you.
Thank you.
I'm Michael. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I've been seeing the photos of my body looks so good.
Thank you. Thank you.
I got you flowers as well, but I don't know.
Oh, no, thank you. Don't have to. Thank you.
Oh, the baby.
Hello. Hi to. Hi sa to. Hi sa to. Hi. Hi everyone. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day kayo eh. Ah, sabok din sa iyan tito oy. I didn't know you were coming.
Di mo, ano mo mga bata gusto? Ako busy.
Daga na kayo kwarta din, plaza kwarta. Yeah, bongga kayo eh, oh. Madam Damin. Madam Damin. Wala kay, daga na ba siyang kwarta? Hindi na siya pwede pakapinan. Oh yeah, thank you. No, my God.
Lagi, basta kayo kung lumanghatag.
Thank you. Sige ba? Sige lagi. Ngayon kay ko, bagay sa imong kuan, sinina. It looks very nice in the camera, just. I like the color. There, doon sa... Oh, yan. Oh, wala ko dahil ako dahil. Ay, thank you. Salamat. Salamat. What's yan? Ito, water be water. Ay, yeah.
It's so cute. You just ignore sometimes, like, you know, it's just so cute.
Yeah, attention seeker.
You think Paris thinks this other?
You can do it, Paris!
Big blow.
Happy birthday, Paris!
She's talking everyone. Let me tie this so the bed is not sticking out.
Just change her nappy. Hindi na siya umiiyak, guys. Tita Joy lang ang nandito. Oh. Pag ibang mga tao ang nakikita niya ay umiiyak siya. Yeah? You comfortable na? Comfortable? Because she's not hungry. She just doesn't like food. Huh? Yeah. Because she crawls now. Yeah, she's like pulling herself up to stand up. So she used all the energy now. Paris, Nico, what happened to your skirt, Nana? Huh? What happened to you? Like, what happened to your outfit?
Usually like
Nah.
once the kids gonna like
Come here, Nakbe. I'll fix you, Nakbe. The city is so busy today. It's Mother's Day. It's Mom's Day today.
It's Mother's Day.
Yes.
Happy Mother's Day, Dad.
Thank you. What is it?
Let's get balloons.
No, it's not your day. It's Mama's Day. Huh? I don't want balloon. Thank you. Where are we going now, Anton? There?
Thinking of going over there to the clock tower.
Yep.
They've got toys going up there.
Oh, it's right. Paris, Nico, you'll get lost enough. You'll get lost. Oh, come on. Where's Mama? Where's your mom and your dad? Hala, naguna-una naman di ay. Biyaan naman di ay. Sobrang busy. Celine is crying so much, guys.
Here you are. Yes, you are. You definitely are.
What's that up?
She's trying to scam me out of. She's trying to scam me to get her a balloon.
So I said, no, it's not your day, Paris. It's Mom's Day. Yeah, it's Mother's Day. It's not Paris's day. Huh?
My day.
It's your day?
She wants to show me.
Lini, ang paiyak-iyak na baby. Nakatanggap kami ng regalo, guys, from them. And the flowers, wow. Yes, Nak? What are you trying to say to Daddy?
Yes, princess.
Ah, yeah?
Ah,
Long time ago in Bethlehem?
1998, tingali ko.
Hala, pila pa ko udad ito eh.
Dali, naman po, 2 years after. Ako.
Give to Dad.
Share to Daddy. Uy, Lini.
Give to Daddy.
What's that, Nak? Is that an emu? Emu?
It's 4:45 and it's only 2:40.
It's all good, man.
Have a look at this, guys. Filipino made this one. See? Sinong nakakilala sa kanya? Rangel Villanueva. What's this one? Pagkikineme. Pagkikinaimay sa kinabukasan. Anthony.
There.
Pagkikinaimay.
Eh? Make it
Pagkikinaimay sa kinabukasan.
Pagkikineme sa kinabukasan.
Carrying the picture.
Sama? Jason?
Oh, I don't know.
Nak, do you like it, Nak? That's your tita's work. That's your tita's work. Your tita is amazing.
They're my friends. They're from Darwin. But
So cool.
they live in Brisbane.
Yeah, it makes me, like, proud. You know what I mean? Like, I'm proud to be Filipino.
Crack open a red horse.
See? The same person.
That looks like Sean from The Voice.
Yeah, I know.
Nah,
This is yum. Oh, Anthony.
He's a Filipino sort of translator. He's not Chinese. Yeah. Sean Milky Sean Marley. Anyway, yeah. That looks like it.
7 to 8.
Organic again.
Mommy and Daddy.
This is so yum. This is so yum. Yummy. Perfume.
This one. What's this?
What's that? What is that?
These are crayons.
Crayons?
Yeah.
Sure? They actually are. No? I know, I have to check. Wow. What is that? Koala.
Look at this. I'll show you our sandal. These are sandals.
Biscuit and tea. You're the one for me.
Wow, how romantic. It's changing the color.
There's another one. Is it the same artist, yeah?
Same artist.
Yeah. Hello, hello. Nice. What does it say? It's gender violent Filipinos. We are the modern day. What was this? Babylands? Oh. As backlash biots agis soft, effeminate, and divine. We are the ones to retain the ancient Filipino souls within us, enduring centuries of oppression from the Spanish colony and U.S. imperialism. This work is remembering the divine power that lies within us. Wow. It's cool. What is this? Like plastic? Glass? Is this glass? Yeah. Moving. That's so cool.
No more crying?
Da.
What is it?
What's his name?
Oh, go have a look. Have a look, guys.
Now on top of my wedding.
Oh, ja. Oh, there's no name now.
Just guess.
Anton? Anton?
No.
No? What is that?
Baby, I don't know what it
What's his name, Anton? Paris is asking. It's not there. He's just a superhero.
I got a name too.
Mhm.
I got a name. Sorry for ruining the flower.
Hmm?
Sorry for ruining the flower.
It's okay. You didn't mean it. You didn't know, yeah?
Yeah,
So good.
I was just sitting down.
Go stand next to the boy. Come on, see
Why?
what? Who's bigger? Go.
Maybe he'll be bigger. He's too big.
Is it?
A few moments later.
Ayan yung Sati Paris natin guys, oh. Nasa kabilang tamping. Pumunta ako dito sa Hype Tea. I just ordered some taro milk tea. Ito ang aking taro milk tea guys. With pearls and coconut jelly. Hinihintay ko lang ang aking egg waffle. Diyan. Pero alam niyo ba guys, kasi Mother's Day, tananong niya ako, sabi niya, kung if by any chance I'm a mother, sabi ko, mother of two. And then sabi niya na just wanna ask because if you're a mother, since it's Mother's Day, they will give you a free egg waffle. And you know what? Egg waffle is $6 guys. That's really good. So yeah, see Hype Tea. Thank you. Kudos to you for giving out free egg waffle for mothers. That's so cool. I appreciate that. And this little one is asleep. Ngayon lang siya nakatulog guys. See, we're rushing na makapasok kami ng sasakyan kasi alam niya naman na paiyak-iyak talaga ito siya sa sasakyan guys. So we're hoping pag nalagay ito siya sa sasakyan and she's sleeping, we'll get home na wala kaming maririnig na iyak. Tagal pa guys ang aming egg waffle. 6 minutes pa daw. Hi guys! It's currently 6 o'clock ng gabi at kakauwi lang namin. Kanina pa pala kami natapos sa city, kaya lang itong dalawa sa sasakyan, si Baby Celine at sa Ate Paris, ay nakatulog, kaya nag-drive na lang si mami niyo at usap-usap with Daddy Mike, chika-chika na lang kami habang hinihintay namin na magising sila. Nakapasok lang namin dito sa bahay, hindi pa nga kami nakabihis guys. Tingnan nyo, ganito pa rin yung suot ko. So, hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo yung suot. Mag-ano na ako guys, mag-insert lang ako ng photo para mapakita yung full outfit ni mami nyo today. Kasi feel ni mami nyo mag-outfit today kasi alam nyo naman, tagal na tayo hindi nakapag-outfit. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung guys, natanggap namin for Mother's Day na gift. Actually, first, this flower from Annie. So, thank you Annie for this. With the flower, may pa-chocolate pa. Ferrero collection. Ayan.
Give that to me.
Did you drink water?
That's a Chromebook with
Drink
built-in
water.
virus protection, so you can click with confidence. We learn more of this and a lot more.
Daddy Mike ay nanonood ng kanyang UFC, guys. Very excited na yun sa kanyang UFC. Oh, shit, tita, your balloon ko na.
Just a Chromebook.
Daddy, put it down a little bit. Daddy,
Renewable energy. This time.
the balloon. Heart.
My don't put it too close.
Oh, I know, because it's gonna blow up, yeah, like the other one. That's cute.
Lucky it wasn't so loud.
Oh, no.
Not much loud.
Not very loud. Okay, so we'll show you this.
Wow.
This is from Tita Christine and Anthony and Tito Frank and Tita Joanne. So, nakita nyo kayo na guys, binigay ko kay Tita Christine bag.
Then happen.
Later na, we'll have dinner. Sobrang bigat nito guys natin. Grabe yung bigat. Hala, look na. Wow, this is cool.
What's that? Now what's that?
Okay. Body wash. Hala, sobrang bigat guys. Grabe. Kung alam nyo lang talaga kung gaano to kabigat. Body wash, 3 plastic. It's kind of liter each. Wow, thank you everyone. Sobrang ganda naman ito. Uy, parang bato man ang sisidlan nitong body wash na to eh.
That's free.
Yeah. There's eucalyptus, mint, orange blossom, and lemon. Verbena. Yan. Super nice.
He's gonna stand up.
Hi, Nak. Do you wanna join in, Anak? Grabe guys, sobrang bigat talaga, oh. Maybe, ano pa to siya? Pang 1 year to siya na-supply ba? Hindi na, Daddy, we don't need to buy body wash for a year.
Oh, sweet. I need some, yeah.
Yeah. It's 3 of these. 3 liters. Grabe. Tanaong tagdi na kuan? Ate Paris, you're being sneaky, ha? Have a look what's in her hand.
What is it?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Baby Celine.
I just found one more.
Baby Celine is here. Baby Celine is here. Hi! Hello. We take this off, babe. So you can talk. Say, Dada. Dada. Tingnan niyo guys, oh. Nag-alabat na siya guys. Like, she's holding me. She wants to
Say
stand up.
da.
Ate Paris, did you say Happy Mother's Day to Mama?
Happy Mother's Day,
Happy Mother's Day, Mama?
Mama.
Yeah, say it again.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Thank you, my love. Thank you, my love. Pero pinaiyak na ako ni Daddy Mike kaninang umaga, guys. Yun talaga yung bumungad.
I really want to make a present for you.
Oh, thanks, my love.
But I don't have a box
It's
or
okay.
a wrapper.
It's alright. You're already Mama's gift. You and baby Celine. You're Mama's gift. Yes?
Mine.
Abalok na Selena. Pinaiyak na ako ni Daddy Mike kanina, guys. Nakita niyo ba kanina sa start ng vlog natin? Pagkagising namin kayo ng umaga, wala na si Daddy sa bed. So, nag-wonder kami kasi nagising kaming tatlo. So, where's Daddy? Tinawagan namin siya. Bumili daw siya ng bread. Pero ayun, bumili pala ng bulaklak tsaka yung card niya.
Tito Na wasn't here.
Huh?
Tito Na.
Tito na? Yeah. He's got, toothache. Ay, baby girl. What's happening there? What's happening there?
He's trying to get a chocolate. Only if I know.
Big girl, eh? Mama's gonna make your dinner. What's for dinner, na? First, we're gonna eat dinner, okay?
Okay.
Bantay bitaw ka. No, she's holding dinner. What's Mama gonna make for Lini?
Strawberry.
Mama's gonna make probably... how about we're gonna have pumpkin? We're gonna have pumpkin again tonight. It's with potato.
But I want you to give Lily some broccoli.
Broccoli? Tingnan niya at nalimat. Straight talaga sa kanyang yeps yan.
Look at her, so swingy. How so swingy.
So swingy.
It's getting me.
Careful, ha? You have to fix that for the pram.
This is not more swingy.
What is that you're watching, ate?
About the bat.
The bats?
This is
Siguro guys kasi nag-bath to sila. Ginawan ko sila ng bath. Pati si Mami pumasok din sa bath, kami tatlo. Kaya siguro nagising ang kanilang dugo. Yes, anak. Hello.
Have a look at these guys.
Look at these guys daw. Good job, my love.
I like jumping.
Look, you have to brush your teeth today. We'll say good night na. Say good night because it's late na. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and yeah, happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. You say happy Mother's Day, titas.
Happy Mother's Day. I'm hungry.
Hungry are you? Okay.
And you can
Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family.
And you can get Valentine's Day the other toys on my toys.
We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye.